If you're paying with a card that has no rewards, you're probably leaving $300 to $800 on the table every year. Today, we'll rank the best cashback credit cards in the US for 2025 and build a wallet that fits your spending, step by step, simple and actionable. Here's what you will gain by the end of this video. You'll know exactly which card matches your daily spending. You'll know how to calculate your net return after fees. And you'll know how to combine 2 or 3 cards to maximize rewards without complexity or extra fees. Let's dive right in. What is cashback and how does it work? Cashback is a percentage returned from your purchases, credited as a statement credit, bank transfer, or check. There are 3 types of cashback cards. Number 1, flat rate. These offer a static rate on all purchases, usually around 2%. Example, you spend $100, get $2 back. Number 2, higher categories. These offer elevated rates on a few select categories like groceries or gas. Example, 3% at Target on up to $6,000 spent per year, or 5% at Walmart for up to $500 in the first year. Number 3, rotating 5% categories that change quarterly and require activation. A favorite example, 5% at Lowe's or Ace Hardware for up to $6,000 per quarter, but only if you activate the benefit ahead of time. Just watch out for 3 things. First, limits and caps. Some categories have monthly or quarterly ceilings. Second, annual fees. Weigh them against expected returns. Third, ease of redemption. Some cards may deposit your cash back into a specific bank account or give you points that need to be converted to cash. How do I choose the right cashback card? Review your last 3 months of spending. Look at restaurants, groceries, gas, travel, Amazon, etc. Find the average. Next, know your priorities. Do you want simplicity and no tracking? Go for a flat 2% card, maximum return and willing to track. Consider 5% cards plus a base card. Here are key comparisons to consider. Cashback rate, categories and caps, annual fee and APR. Don't rely on rewards if you don't pay in full. Foreign transaction fees if you travel. Sign-up bonus and requirements. They change often, so check the website. And here's a quick formula to estimate your net annual return. Multiply your spend times the category rate plus the sign-up bonus minus the annual fee. Which cards should I pick? We've categorized them to help you compare. Flat rate? Simple. Great for everyone. Earn unlimited 2% cashback on everything. Wells Fargo Active Cash. No annual fee. Great base card. Citi Double Cash. Effectively 2%. 1% on purchase, 1% on payment, no annual fee. Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature. Earn 2% when deposited into a Fidelity account. Excellent if you invest there. Next, let's talk about rotating or custom 5% categories. Discover it Cashback. Get 5% seasonal categories with activation up to a quarterly limit, 1% on the rest. In year 1, they'll match all the cashback you've earned. Check the website for current categories and caps. Chase Freedom Flex. Get 5% rotating categories with activation, plus fixed higher rates on dining and Chase Travel. Citi Custom Cash. Get 5% automatically on your top eligible category, each billing cycle up to a monthly cap. Great for focused spenders. Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards. Get 3% on your chosen category, plus 2% on groceries and wholesale clubs quarterly cap. If you're in preferred rewards, rates go up. US Bank Cash Plus. Choose 2 5% categories each quarter with activation. Do these require a little bit more effort? Yes, quarterly activation plus tracking of caps. But returns can far exceed a flat 2% card. If your main spend is groceries, dining, and entertainment, then the Blue Cash cards from Amex might be worth considering. Amex Blue Cash Preferred. Great for families. 6% US supermarkets up to a cap, 6% on streaming, 3% transit and gas. Amex Blue Cash every day. No annual fee, 3% on groceries, online shopping and gas up to a cap. Capital One Saver One. 3% on dining, entertainment, streaming, groceries, no annual fee. Excellent for food and events. Chase Freedom Unlimited. A balanced mix, higher on Chase Travel, dining, pharmacies, solid base rate on everything else. Pro tip: if groceries are your biggest spend, Amex grocery cards often beat flat 2% even after the annual fee if you use the full cap. Store or brand specific cards. If you're loyal to one retailer, you can earn high returns. Otherwise, not ideal. Amazon Prime Visa. High returns at Amazon and Whole Foods, no annual fee. Prime membership required. Costco Anywhere Visa by city. Strong returns on gas, dining, and travel, 2% inside Costco. Membership required. Apple Card. Daily cashback with Apple Pay. Higher with Apple and partners. Great iPhone integration, but not always the highest rewards. Now that you know the cards, let's build a ready-made wallet. Scenario 1, easiest. Grab a 2% flat card. Zero effort, solid return. Scenario 2. Let's say you have a lot of dining and entertainment spend. In this case, grab the Saver one and pair it with a 2% card. Scenario 3. If you're a grocery-heavy family, consider the Blue Cash Preferred and pair it with a 2% card. Scenario 4. If you want to maximize 5% with no annual fee, grab the Discover It, Freedom Flex, and pair it with a 2% card. Scenario 5. If your spending changes monthly, the Citi Custom Cash with a 2% card. Scenario 6. If you're an Amazon-heavy shopper, consider the Amazon Prime Visa and pair it with a 2% card. Scenario 7. If you have gas, dining, and travel light and are a warehouse member, the Costco Anywhere, and a 2% card. Here's a quick example for illustration purposes. Let's call her Sarah. She spends monthly $600 groceries, $400 dining, $300 gas, $700 MISC. With Blue Cash Preferred and a 2% card, she would earn on the average. Groceries, $600 x 6% x 12s, 432s. Dining, 2%, $400 x 2% x $12, 96. Gas, 3%, $300 x 3% x $12, 108. Miss, 2%, $700 x 2% x $12, 168. Total, $804. Subtract the annual fee and her net return is higher than just a 2% card, which would be roughly $504. Before you apply for any card, remember these common mistakes and pro tips. Always pay in full. The APR can wipe out rewards. Activate rotating categories at the start of each quarter. Set reminders, track spending caps, and switch cards after limits. Don't close old cards suddenly. Credit age matters. Product change instead of closing. Avoid applying for too many cards quickly. Each inquiry matters. Set autopay or alerts to avoid late fees. Check foreign transaction fees before travel. Sign-up bonuses change. Watch requirements carefully. If you're building credit, Discover It. Secured is excellent. Rewards and an upgrade path. Capital One. Quicksilver One, simple cashback, small annual fee, temporary credit builder. Cashback cards are a great way to earn rewards on everyday purchases. By understanding the different types of cards and their features, you can choose the one that best fits your spending habits and financial goals. Remember to always read the fine print and compare offers from different issuers to find the best deal for you. Happy cashback hunting. Next up, to get a personalized recommendation from me, drop a comment below with your rough spending details: groceries, dining, gas, Amazon, travel, etc. Monthly budget and preference for no annual fee. And I'll suggest a tailored high-yield wallet for you. Also, tell us your biggest takeaways from this video and what questions you still have. Hit the subscribe button for more tips and follow us on social media for more. Thanks for watching. See you soon.